reason I haven't posted any videos is because all my project is on this. That came stock with the mini PC, and for some reason I tried to turn the computer off one day, and when I came back, it kept booting into the BIOS. So all my project and all my data is on this nvme SSD, and I bought me the adapter to read it, and when I plug it in, it does nothing. And I was working on the parts list. I was working on the Delaware ride. I was working on some wiring, and all my project and all the time that I spent inside the project chopping the videos up, all of that is on the SSD, and I don't know what to do with it. I try to recover the data. It's just not reading at all. So that's the reason why I haven't posted anything. So I probably would have to go back and re-record some videos like the parts list and stuff, because as soon as I record anything, I just transfer it straight to the computer, and now this is not working. I lost all my files, so that's why I haven't posted up.